Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you the rest of my Christmas home decor. So grab something to snack and let's get started. I got this flock wreath at Michael's last year. This is the first thing you'll see when you enter my apartment. I decided to put this couch here so we could have somewhere to sit on while we put our snow boots on. So every season, I like to switch the decor in our coffee tray. I feel like it makes the kitchen more festive and sets the mood in the morning. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I got these ornaments at the Dollar Tree this year. I also like to decorate on top of the stove. I got the sign and the houses at Target last year. I added some Dollar Tree batteries powered lights to it. I think it looks so cute when all the lights are turned off. For the moment, we don't have a formal dining table, so I decorated our island. I got the runner from Walmart and the rest of the decor from Target. I like to decorate our guest/daughter's bathroom for every season. I feel like this is a really nice touch and my baby loves to see the decor. I got the tree at Walmart and the rest of the decor I had for years before. I then decorated my daughter's room. I like to add her small tree and some small decor. I also made her bed a little festive. I like to switch the couch pillows for each season. I think it ties everything together. Since I live in an apartment, I don't have a fireplace, but I like to decorate the soundbar on top of our TV. Make sure to check my last video to see how I decorated our tree. I got the sign and the nutcracker at Home Goods and the garland at Target. For our room, all I did was add this pretty light in our mirror with some tape. And I also changed our sheets to a more festive look. I love how everything turned out. Hope you enjoyed this decorate with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.